This day gives us another chance to explore what the Fred system has to offer. And yes, it's still Anne here, and I'll be your guide in doing that. Presently, we will be talking about how to get a hold of information and therapists located in Client Zip. Alright, so let's get this up and running, starting with the Client tab. Then click Therapists located in Client Zip. To view the therapists within 5 to 50 miles from the places of the clients, simply choose a client from this drop-down box. So how about we try a child's potential? Aside from the contact information, the page that follows also enables you to update the status of the services. If a client needs a specific service, click this one, and it will let you insert a request for a particular client service through this page. Once finished, click Insert Client Service Request. Now let's go back to the previous page. So for example, our client is A&Y Associates. All the therapists within 5 miles from their location are listed here. The same is true for 10 miles, 15, 20, 25, or even 50 miles. That way, clients will have several options on the therapists that they will contact depending on their choices. So there we go, convenient ways on viewing the therapists based on the locations of the clients. I'm Anne, and I'll see you again next time.